This is everything you need to know to protect your plants from frost. Hi, I'm Rosie. Protecting your plants from frost is important for their health and survival. Let's get into it. Mulch is a great way to insulate the soil and protect the roots of your plants from freezing temperatures. Apply a layer of mulch around the base of your plants before the colder days arrive. This greenhouse provides protection from the elements, including frost, wind and excessive sunlight. This means that you can grow plants year-round, regardless of the weather conditions outside, creating a stable and optimal environment for your plants. By placing a plastic dome over the top of a young or small plant, you can create a mini greenhouse that will protect the plant from the elements and promote healthy growth. Bubble wrap or a plastic film can provide a protective barrier that can help prevent damage to containers or pots from frost. It helps keep the soil and roots warmer during the colder months. Avoid wrapping the entire plant or container, as this can limit air circulation. If you're able to, consider moving some of your more vulnerable potted plants indoors for the winter. Just make sure you don't put them near any heating vents and keep the water up, as they will dry out quicker indoors. And there you have it, your 101 guide to protecting your plants from frost. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe for further tips and tricks.